it's just Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we are here with a little item from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. This is their Valentine nail art box from charliesnailart.co.uk. Across the top of the box here, I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. My code for checkout is NailedIt10. Again, all in caps, NailedIt10. To save yourself 10% off. Let's open this baby up. Let's see what comes in the nail art box. This is my PR sample. Hello Cherie, thank you for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing your beautiful nail designs. Charlie. So here's what is in the February box. Valentine box, I should say. We have got... Oh my god, I don't know what these are. Hold on a second, please. I don't know. I can't tell. They're cute, though I can't tell what they are. They're cute. Next are... What are these? There'll be a bunch of things in here that I can't tell what they are. These are words, I think. I can't... Oh, this is love. Love, love, love. Oh, blue hearts. Look at the charms. Super cute. We've got two. Oh. Hearts with one little bling on them. Let me put these out here so I can separate them out. Cupid metal slices. I'm glad she put that on the back of it. These are Cupid's arrow. Now that makes sense. The very first item is Cupid's arrow. This is Cupid metal slices. Hot pink rhinestones. Oh, look at those. Love, love, love. These are hearts, AB heart gems. Love, love, love. Definitely be using these. We have got some glitter mixes. Tailed heart sequin roses. Oh. Look at those. How beautiful are they? Love the color. Happy Ever After is a mix. It is 4 grams. I'm sure you've seen everybody else's nail art boxes, Valentine's. I'm kind of slow getting mine. Tartar shipping to the U.S. Blossoming Love. These are 3 grams of itty bitty little stars, it looks like. Could be itty bitty little flowers. Really cute. We got some foils. This is called Hearts Aflutter. These are multicolored hearts. These will be good for floating hearts and acrylic manicure. This is 3 grams of hollow and mini hearts. Aww. Aww. Baby love. These are baby colored hearts. This is 3 grams. This is a glittery mix, as you can see here on the back. Really cute. we got 3 foils. This was called Romantic Break. I really don't want to open them up. I'm very sorry. But I can never get them back in these baggies right. Can't get them twirled back up right. This one is called Feel the Love. Love is forever. 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 I'll love you forever. Well, that is all that is in the Valentine's nail art box. Loving the Hearts of Flutter. In the Blossoming Love, we got some favorites in here, like the hot pink Rhinestones. I'm loving these. So again, I'm a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. You can use my code at checkout, all caps, NailedIt10, to save yourself 10% off your bill. Forgive me for not opening the seat or the foils. Please forgive. I think the charms are really cute. Loving those. Love all of it so far. Love it all. Can't wait to play with it. Dive in. Make some beautiful manicures. Well, this is my little Valentine haul for you today. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all giveaways, all uploads, anything important I feel you may need to know. And don't forget, we are having 2 giveaways going on. Two. First one, USA only for new subscribers. You get to win a black and white sticky stamping polish from SheModern.com. My second giveaway is if you send me a subscriber and you are already subscribed to my channel, you get entered into a giveaway for Swarovski crystals. So, a little incentive for everybody there. Please subscribe, enter the giveaways. If you enter and you subscribe, please leave me a comment down below at any video that lets me know that you have subscribed to my channel. YouTube does not give us notices anymore that says, oh hey, so-and-so just subscribed. So I greatly appreciate that. Well, that's it here for today. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you. Come back, I forgot to film my PR part. Come back. Let me show you what I got. This is my PR package part from Charlie's Nail Art for being an ambassador. Oh, we got 2 cute little foils here. Looky. These are both samples, which means that it's not a full strip. From the heart, which is heart, so it says love. This one here is love and affection. This is really nice. This would be making elegant manicure. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are beautiful. These are called Mermaid Pearls. Loving those. Let's set these up here. These are, I thought I would have the millimeters. These are multicolored stars. These are all samples here, which means you don't get the full lot. These are called Bleeding Hearts. It's like a confetti glitter mix. 2 hearts. Two hearts. Oh, these are called Heart to Heart. Oh, look at those. Love these. Last but not least, this is called Baby Love. This is a sample of a glitter mix from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. charliesnailart.co.uk. And again, my 10% off code is NailedIt10, all caps. Okay, here's my PR sample for February. Thank you, Charlie, for including that in my package. I greatly, greatly appreciate. And I appreciate you. I want you to know that. I just want to take this chance to thank everybody who subscribes to my channel, who supports me. It really means the world to me. Without you, there would be no me. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.